sinking? Ragged Falls, and I hear it, but there's a fork right now, so we're deciding between which two to go to, but I think it's the one on the left, so hopefully that's the one that we're going to. So we came from down there and voila. The water kind of looks a bit mucky, but it's cool. I'm getting eaten by bugs. I don't even know what they are. There's like so many on my leg. Let's go slide down it. We should have a raft.
Oh yeah,
river rafting.
Yeah,
so we're trying to go up the waterfall, and this is as far as we got. We have to cross over, and we are not doing that because we're gonna slip and fall and go all the way down. Trying to get down into the water, trying to sit over there.
Oh my god!
How is it? That actually looks like heaven.
Whoa! Oh my god! It's warm, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is actually a really nice trip. I did not come prepared. I'm not in a bathing suit, so yeah. Going with the flow. It's gonna go.
It's like a massage.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling though.
Powerful. It will suck you in.
Yeah. That's why I'm not going in there.
Oh shit!
Bye. Are you actually sinking? Are you
Yeah, it's scary, it's scary, it's large.
I thought you were joking. I'm just like, bye. Came from there, and now we're just climbing our way up to what hopefully is a route out instead of walking through the river like I have done many times in the past. Look, we found a shortcut. So they fenced it off just so people don't fall over, which is smart. And now we're gonna see the falls from the top. And I almost tripped. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's not as powerful as the other one, but it's still really. I hear you. Oh, you can see it from the top. I think we were sitting right there before in our massage chair somewhere over there. Yeah, let's just slide down.
There's no way,
You can come from there and just keep going. Woo. Just on our way to Algonquin Park. We should be in half an hour from here. We're gonna hike some trails and we'll see what goes on.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Through the west gate here, and we've been passing along a lot of the lakes because the one that I really want to see is Rock, which is number 10. And I didn't realize that it said it's 5 kilometers, but it's gonna take 3 hours to do. So good luck for us. Hopefully it's not too much uphill. And then we're thinking of going to this lake to do a little picnic and a swim. Yes, so we're gonna hike here. And here we are. I don't know how to zoom. So we made it to the Booth Rock Trail, and guess what I'm looking at? Woo!
Man, if you had a kayak, you could have went around this whole thing.
Yeah, this is actually
Well,
really
that's
nice.
kayak.
And we're on our way. Hopefully it does not take us 3 hours like I said. 5 kilometers, that's not bad.
Cents.
For what? Oh, for the drink? Wait, what? How does that work?
Oh, the deposit. I think you have to pay 50 cents to deposit a can.
Oh, that's weird. Ooh. You know how I like to collect my maps and papers, you know? Please keep children under control at all times. Did you hear that? Yes. Behave yourself.
Okay.
So there's a signing thing for visitors. Maybe because in case you get lost and then they could track you, like how many people visited. I feel like everything is like trying to eat me up right now. So let's get moving. So we decided to turn back and go to another location that isn't in the forest because we are getting eaten by mosquitoes. I had like 3 on one leg. My idea was to jog, but to jog, well, you could jog 5 kilometers. That's like half an hour. And now we're jogging. We're back out with like 10 bites, 100 bites. So we decided to go to Lake of Two Rivers so we can have a picnic there and we can swim. We don't have to worry about getting bitten by mosquitoes and eaten up by them. So that's a bonus. 1, 2, 3, up. Scouting out our benches. I know. I haven't been looking where I've been stepping. I probably stepped in poo. So I guess this is where we're going to have our kitchen. Just swimming with the geeses now. There was a pack of ducks that I was swimming with. They were so cute. There was baby ones too. It's so nice and warm. Ooh, what are we having, chef?
Some potatoes and tuna.
Look at that.
Chili powder in this.
Potatoes are like my favorite. This man's opened a can of tuna with a knife. And I'm like trying to take a photo with my Polaroid of that scenery over there. But it doesn't want to develop. And look at that, we opened the can. What he did. So we got some potatoes with tuna with a sprinkled of homemade barbecue sauce and some nice raw red onions on top.
It's gonna fall. Careful, careful, careful.
I could eat.
It's gonna fall.
What's that? Oh, it's burning my hand though.
Check this out.
Look at the little babies. We're going to get some more dinner because, you know, I like to eat. And yeah, so we're going to go into town of Gravenhurst to get some dinner. And then we're going to check out one more thing before we head back and sleep. There's an island in the middle of the lake. It looks pretty cool. We are trying to find a restaurant or somewhere to eat. And the only thing we see is pizza. So I guess that is where we are eating. Like all pitch black, like these are high views. So we just made it and we see a lot of cars. So hopefully we got clear views of the sky. They like childproof this. I can't. Ah.
Brought a child to the fucking forest.
What?
I brought a child to the forest.
Oh, you can't even see the damn pizza, but it looks so good.
Not bad at all. I'm like, stop.
Here we are in the middle of nowhere, and as you can see, we can see nothing. And we're using the phone as our flashlight. I don't know why I'm turning it to my face when you can't even see my face. And so far, I think we're good with the mosquitoes, hopefully. I can't see anything. Oh, you can see something. Oh, shit. It's like so many these sharp turns here, and you can't see much. And we have a car behind us too. There they are. Well, we're finally heading back to our place.
Home for the night.
Until tomorrow. Have a good night and a good life. Peace.